Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everybody. My name is Ron. This is Bad Boats, and this is your boating news. But before we get started, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe and the notification button to get all the updates from the videos that we put up. Now, the first video we had today, hey guys, even though it was Christmas, there was still some action going on. And luckily, the Coast Guard is 24 hours, 7 days a week, always on patrol to assist people in need. And this is what happened off the coast of Fort Pierce, where a Coast Guard cutter, approximately 50 miles offshore, came to assist of a sailboat that was in distress and needed to be towed back to Fort Pierce. Let's go ahead and take a look at the video. Now, guys, this is a video from a while back. It come from Baltimore, Maryland. Was the Baltimore, Maryland Police Department assisted the U.S. Coast Guard in rescuing a capsized vessel. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now, guys, you know, New Year's are coming up, and one of the things you got to do in New Year's, and there's a lot of resolutions going out. Some people keep them, some don't. But if you're in a boat, or even if you're in a small sailboat, you need to make sure that you watch your weight so you don't sink. And this is a prime example with these sea lines. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video. Now, guys, you know, the New Year's is coming up. You're going to have people doing the polar plunge. I don't know how cold it was for these people on these boats, but a couple decided to take a plunge in the water. They wore jackets, so it's probably somewhere a little cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now, hey, guys, again, thank you very much. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification button and get all the updates from all the videos that we put up. Also, check out our partner channel, Boat Mania, and the link is going to be down below. And we also have a Facebook group. It's called The Bad Boats. The Bad Boats in Facebook. It's a group page where you can upload your videos. Now, if you have any problem uploading your videos that you'd like to put up for fails or news, just contact me, send me a message in Facebook, and I'll look at it and I'll see if I can correct it. But anyway, thank you very much and have a Happy New Year.